Hi everyone, very warm welcome to my YouTube channel. So, how are you all? I hope that you are pretty fine and doing very well. In today's video, I'm gonna show you leather skater midi dresses. I hope you will like these beautiful and decent dresses. So don't skip the video, watch till the end. If you are like these dresses, then hit the like button. And I have shared a lot of leather dresses, beautiful and different colors and different patterns and in different cuts. I hope you will enjoy these dresses. If you are new at my channel, then visit on my channel once. There I have shared lots of dresses like midi dresses, skater dresses, and also share nail art compilation and different ideas. I hope you will like those ideas as well. If you are liking any kind of dress and if you have any kind of demand, write your demand in the comment section. I'll make a video on your demand as soon as possible. If you are like these dresses, then hit the like button and also tell me in the comment section related to today's video. So guys, I hope you will like these dresses that I have shared in my video are skater dresses in different colors. So now let me say to take care of yourself and don't forget to subscribe my channel, friends. So take care of yourself and your friends. Bye bye.